how to change this style of an image in your ChatGPT. So if you want to create an image and you want to change this style, this is the tutorial. So as you can see here, I got my image created and it's an image of a comic book style tutorial for cooking pasta. Now if you want to use different style, you can simply copy this prompt, enter it here. I'm gonna remove comic book style. And the next step is to click here on styles and choose the style which you want. So for example, the anime, the prompt of anime style was added. You can customize it and then simply click on enter and it will create your new image. So we will wait until it's created. So as you can see, this is the comic book style, how to cook pasta, and this is the anime style. Use this prompt which I entered here in styles. So for example, if you want to create a new image, click on new chat, click on the plus, create an image, and here click on styles. Choose your style, for example, cyberpunk, and here describe your image which you want. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.